Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to move and resize windows easily. Typically, when you want to move a window, you have to drag the title bar of the window. And if you want to resize it, you have to precisely click the edges of the window and drag them around. Today we're going to make this way easier. To achieve that, we will use a program called AltSnap. This is a free and open source software that will help us in moving and resizing windows. First, go to the link that you will find in the description below. Download AltSnap and install it. Click Close and click Yes to run AltSnap. Now, as you can see in the sys tray, AltSnap is already running. Now to actually move a window, you have to hold the Alt key and the left mouse button and drag it around. To resize a window, you have to hold the Alt key and the right mouse button. To configure AltSnap, go to sys tray and right-click on AltSnap icon and then click Configure. In the General tab, to make AltSnap Auto Start on Windows Startup, check this option. In the Mouse tab, you can change what the left mouse button and the right mouse button do, but I highly recommend to leave these options as the default. In the Keyboard tab, you can change Alt key to Windows key or to the Control key, and you can also set up a shortcut to close programs. In the Blacklist tab, you can blacklist a program, so AltSnap will ignore it. To actually blacklist a program, we can use this Identify Windows section here to identify a Windows title and process name. Just click on this icon right here and click on your program. Here we got the window name and the process name. Now all you need to do is copy it. Go to the end of the line and put comma then space and paste the name of the process and click Apply. Now I can no longer drag or resize the File Explorer. In the Advanced tab, I recommend to uncheck Enabled on full screen windows, so AltSnap won't interfere with your games. Click Apply and click OK. Now we need to make AltSnap run as an administrator on Windows Startup, so it can work on all windows even if they have administrator privileges. To do that, first open the Start menu and search for AltSnap. Click Open File Location. Then right-click on the shortcut and click Open File Location. We are going to use this batch script to add a task to Task Scheduler. But first we need to modify this script because it's not working by default. First, copy the path that you are in. Then right-click on the script and click Edit. Now we need to add the full path to this XML file. Paste the path that you just copied. Click File, then Save. Now run the script as an administrator. Press Enter. Now we have successfully added AltSnap task to the task scheduler. Click Enter again. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day.